Gentlemen, imagine waking up tomorrow with the kind of firmness and vitality you thought was gone forever. No pills, no risky procedures, just your own 2 hands, a few minutes, and proven techniques that work with your body, not against it. I'm Dr. Roelle, a men's health specialist who has helped thousands of men reclaim their natural strength and confidence. One of the biggest concerns I hear from men over 40, 50, and 60 is losing something they once took for granted: morning erections. Those effortless signals of vitality fade with age, but they don't have to. Here's the truth. Your body still holds the blueprint for strong erections. It just needs the right stimulation to wake it up. And today, I'll share 3 powerful pressure points that can help reactivate your natural erection mechanism. Pressure point 1. The base groove. Located at the root of your shaft, this hub of nerves and vessels can be activated with circular thumb pressure for 90 seconds daily. Pressure point 2. The perineum. Found between the scrotum and anus, gentle massage here strengthens the pelvic floor muscles that trap blood and maintain firmness. Pressure point 3. The corona. The ridge beneath the head is packed with nerve endings. Light rhythmic pressure retrains responsiveness, sharpening your body's arousal circuitry. Commit to just 6 minutes daily, and within weeks you may notice warmth, firmer mornings, and stronger performance. Add good sleep, hydration, and exercise, and results multiply. Gentlemen, age doesn't erase your vitality. With the right cues, you can reclaim it.